Do you know what your gift is? Let's talk about that. What's good? My name is Jadarius, or Jay, and I'm here to make your life better today. So in this video, I want to go over a question, a great question someone asked me on TikTok. So on TikTok, I posted this video. What is your gift? Now, Steve Harvey identifies your gift as the thing you are the absolute best at with the least amount of effort. On that video, I got this comment from someone I don't know. And I'm glad that he asked me that question because it was a great question. I spent basically 18 to 19 years trying to figure out myself, trying to understand what my gift was, what my purpose was, and how I could use it to help others, and also how I could earn an income from it. What is your gift? And how can you locate it? That's what I'm gonna focus on today. So here's a backstory for you. As you know, I love doing this. I love speaking. I prefer speaking in front of people than behind this camera, actually. So as you can imagine, this is my gift. I love using this to help you out. As a kid, I was always the kid that liked to inspire, motivate others, entertain others, tell jokes, just make people feel good. I liked my energy to be genuinely contagious. But I didn't know how can I use that as a career later on in life. I didn't know how I could monetize it, If you ask the average kid at a young age what they want to be when they get older, you'll hear answers like a firefighter, a teacher, a police officer. Shoot, you might get a strange answer from a kid when they say they want to be a stripper. You know who you are. If you ask me what I wanted to be as a kid, I couldn't tell you. I recognized all these great qualities about myself, but I didn't know how I could use it to impact others and earn an income from it. So I like to look at my life where there's 3 indications that made me realize that I was supposed to do this. This is how I found out what my gift was. The first indication, or a duh moment for me, was that both of my granddads were preachers. So in a sense, speaking ran in my blood. The second indication was this. I was doing public speaking from the age of 11 till I got to college, my first year in college. Back then, my parents encouraged me to enter into these public speaking competitions because they seen it as an opportunity for me to get out of my introverted ways. Little did they know it was actually preparing me to do this today. The third indication, or duh moment for me, is that I went through a lot of depression. I recognized that a lot of my peers was going through this, but what separated me from them is that I knew the resources to grow through depression. So one of the things that I was doing that was helping me grow from that depression and get through it was I was listening to a lot of motivational speakers, and I knew a lot of them, my peers at that age, they didn't know who some of these guys were. And it was that moment I realized, you know what? It's all coming together. All the 3 duh moments, or the indications. It's all making sense that I was supposed to use my gift, my voice, as an opportunity to help people. So if you don't know what your gift is, you need to ask yourself the question, what strong qualities about yourself can you use to help people? That's your gift. The guy that reached out to me on TikTok, I was telling him, you need to figure out what are your strongest characteristics. What are you known for that makes you you, that people love about you? Use that and use it to help others. It takes you little to no effort to do these things, and people love that you do these things for them. Your gift are those qualities that you are recognized for. It is a passion for you to do these things. This is what your gift is. You need to locate that gift within you so that you can use it to help others. You need to find out what it is. You need to ask yourself, what are the strong qualities, characteristics about me that I can use to help others? Some of you on here are good at teaching, speaking, drawing, whatever the case may be. It's something within you that you are recognized as great at, and you love to do it. Now I need you to find out what it is and help others with it. Whatever your gift is, you need to work on it every day. Why? Because you're not perfect. You will never be perfect. The quote of the day is from Les Brown. He said, provide more service than you get paid for. Whatever your gift is, provide as much service as you can. Be the best at it. When people buy into what you're trying to sell, make them feel like they're getting more than what their money's worth. Yo, my friend on TikTok, bro, I hope this helps a lot. I hope you found value in this video. If so, please subscribe, like, comment down below if you found your gift Share this video, share my channel, and turn those notifications on so I can continue to provide you with mental wisdom, motivation, and some entertainment.